If you're putting in 50 hours a week and saving whatever you can, you've probably noticed it isn't enough to feel secure anymore. This graph shows why. The red line represents a cost of living, specifically shelter. The green line shows average wages. They are moving in opposite directions, and savings in a standard bank account are actually shrinking. Inflation is simply eroding your purchasing power every month. The people who bypass this trap aren't necessarily working more hours. They prioritize the mechanics of asset growth over the size of a single paycheck. Generating high active income and building a portfolio of yields are distinct technical skills. Survival in the 2026 economy relies on shifting from trading hours to managing systems. Most people measure success by what they can see: a driveway with a luxury car, designer clothes, or a premium apartment. But actual wealth is quiet. It's the investments, the business interests, and the stock portfolios that sit completely out of view. Living paycheck to paycheck breeds a scarcity mindset. It pushes people to either hoard cash out of fear or impulsively buy things to feel successful in the moment. An abundance mindset shifts that perspective. This animation represents what we call capital soldiers. Instead of spending $1, you deploy it as a worker with one job: go out and capture a fraction of a cent in value. By directing those soldiers into low-cost index funds, they quietly multiply. Over a few decades, compound interest turns those small returns into a massive self-sustaining network. Spending a high income on visible liabilities leaves you just as financially vulnerable as someone with a lower salary. Asset acquisition is the only objective measure of progress. There is a strict mathematical ceiling to hard work. We all have exactly 24 hours in a day. Look at this diagram showing the traditional working model. You take a segment of your finite time and you mechanically swap it for a fixed amount of cash. When you stop swapping, the cash stops coming. The alternative to this trap is leverage. Leverage means deploying capital, automated systems, and AI to produce value without your direct involvement. These systems operate in a continuous loop, generating returns. True financial scale only happens when the amount of money you earn is completely divorced from your physical presence. Wealth functions as a mechanism for reclaiming your own time. When you strip away the emotion, money serves as a tool for securing the power to decline work you don't want to do. Building this system requires a slow, methodical rewiring of your daily habits. It relies on consistency over decades, not overnight windfalls. It also demands emotional intelligence. You need the discipline to watch market downturns erode your portfolio's value on paper and resist the urge to panic sell your assets. A singular focus on consumption leads to recurring financial fragility, regardless of the hours logged at the office. Realigning your daily relationship with capital is the prerequisite to a change in your bank balance.